Wikipedia 1114, safety at the fountain, or safety precaution at the fountain in case your kids will ask permission to play at the fountain. Kasi magandang experience din yan, memories ng mga bata na maglaro sa fountain. So let them play on the fountain with the following precautions, safety precautions. Number 1, sabihin nyo sa kanila, don't play too long. Huwag magtatagal kasi alam nyo naman, pag nabasa yung mga bata, nagkakasakit. Pag nabasa sila ng matagal, nagkakasakit. So, let them play. Try them to experience playing at the fountain, pero not so long. Number 2, check yung tiles kung slippery. I know, ayaw nyong mabasa yung kanilang sapatos, ang kanilang precious shoes. Pero kung slippery yung tiles, let them wear na yung kanilang rubber shoes for few minutes lang din naman. Number 3, yung water spout. Sabihin nyo sa kanila, don't step on the water spout, baka kasi malakas, out of balance sila. Number 4, don't drink water on the fountain. Yung tubig, sabihin nyo sa kanila, it's not a drinking water. Number 5, don't rub your eyes while playing on the fountain. Parehas lang din yun, no, don't drink on the fountain kasi yung tubig sa fountain, it's not safe. Maaari kasing breeding ground yan ng bacteria, so don't rub your eyes. And last but not the least, pagkatapos nilang maglaro sa fountain, paliguan nyo agad-agad para malinis yung anumang dumikit sa katawan nila. So, take a bath immediately. Ayan. Let them experience the joy of playing on the fountain. Ang sarap panoorin, no? Yung mga batang naglalaro sa fountain. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye-bye.